Ciao Tesla people. So I just got notification that there is a software update. This the 2024.20.9. I just downloaded, and I wanted to try to do the installation remotely. So here tells me that the update is almost done. Is at 100%. So if I go to the release notes, here is 100%. So after this, I want to do the installation from the phone, okay? And we'll see how it goes. This software update should have minor bug fixes. I didn't see any undocumented features, but so I will look for it online. We'll see if other people see something new. Usually there are some minor fixes, maybe UI stuff. And also wanted to try to do the installation remotely. Okay. I don't know if I'm going to do it right away or I will wait later on this afternoon, because right now outside here in Florence is 39 degrees Celsius, and I put the overheat protection at 40, so the car won't get too hot. Now, during installation, for the beginning, it will still work overheat protection, but after a few minutes it will stop, and so the car would get really, really hot. So I wanted to wait like 7 o'clock or 8 o'clock in a night or in the afternoon. Anyway, I'll see you later when I start the installation. So the download is done, and let's start the installation. And it says software update installed 2024.20.9. So I say okay, and I say yes, and it will prepare to do the installation. So you are basically installing the software remotely, and it asks you, do you want to cancel? No, of course. Okay, so you cannot do it like in a car that you can tap on it and start right away. At least it doesn't look like. So I have to wait 1 minute and 30 seconds. It's doing a countdown. Let's see if software update begin. Okay. Oh, there is only cancel the update. Okay. I wish there was a way to speed up this. Maybe if you say, do you want to cancel? No. No. There is no option to speed up the process like there is on the display on inside your Tesla. Okay, so I wanted to check. I never done this remotely because I wanted to explain all the details and also showcase the new features and stuff. But this time it looks like it is just a bug fixes and some minor fixes. So I'm going to look for undocumented changes and will report if there are any. And we'll see, okay? So we'll see how it goes. You can actually schedule this update too. So 15 seconds. It should be cooler outside, yeah. Okay, so 5 seconds. Okay, 2, 1. Okay, and we'll start the software update. Install the software update. Do you want to install now? This update will take approximately 55 minutes. I say yes. It says during the update process you will not be able to drive the vehicle or use the touch screen, and your car alarm may be disarmed for a short duration if enabled. I say yes, and it's preparing the update, and the installation process basically started. Okay, and here the install 2024.20.9 and it's at 10%. I'm going to leave the video going on so that we'll see all the process, and we'll see how it goes. Okay, I'll do a time lapse, and I'll see you in a bit. So installation is done. Everything went well. It was rebooting for a couple of minutes. The entire installation went about 25 minutes, not 55 like it was mentioned on the pop-up. So everything went well. So this is the minor bug fixes. So nothing major. If there are any undocumented changes, I will report them. Maybe I'll do a video or some pictures and stuff, and I'll post it on my YouTube channel or all of my other socials. So in the meantime, please subscribe, put a like, turn on notification, share it, and I'll see you on next video. Bye bye.